Alright. Y'all get about the hood, man. I'm tired of this. Blacks. Why people always wanna be fighting? Up in the project, blacks always wanna fight, always wanna run from people what's right. Ain't nothing right about them. They don't never wanna be tight with each other, always wanna show each other might. What's up? They always wanna stay up all night, so drugs, shoot dice. What's up with that? Man, I don't like that, cause that's not, I'm not a gangbanger. I listen twice of me, but it ain't twice of me. It's just two of me. Me and my twin brother guy. We ain't nothing but no. We ain't nothing like them. We wanna go to college, have a nice life. We love who we are. It's like chunky outlaw brother, love to stay up, but he ain't a gangbanger. But that's just the way it is. Things aren't the same to people. My sister Kira's getting bigger, but yeah. Keon, Karan, I always wanna be a gangbanger. I always wanna think they're hard. What's up with them? They might get scarred. I always think they hard, but as soon as they get cracked, slapped, they get slung at, and they wanna just run away. What's up with that? I always wanna be hard, but guess what? They're not. They must be midgets for that. They're kinda like midgets to how old they are. He's about 4'1", but he's 14. He don't know his father. That's wrong, cause it really bothers, cause he don't know really how to do nothing. I was get bullied by our family. What's up with that? Cause he's not really part of my family. He's just my sister's brother. But I want him to be my brother, cause he came from another that don't mean nothing to me, cause he's my big brother. But I always think of him as a little one, little gun, anything but a big one. But he's the bigger one, but he's kinda small, don't know what he's saying. He think he like girls, but they don't like him cause he do certain things that older people don't do. I can't tell you on the song, cause that really would be wrong, cause he ain't nothing like King Kong. He just don't know what to do. He don't know who he is. He don't know where he gets his look from, nothing else. Their mother don't really care. She just buy him things, she don't never say him where. She always wanna go somewhere, drink beer anywhere. They always shed tears. What's wrong with them? They need meat on that skit like theirs, but they don't know where to get it from. My grandma always abusing, accusing. What's up with that? But that's just the way it is. I'm out cause my twin brother about to call and his guy. I get up at the store cause the girl think I'm a little. What's up with that? Cause I need a little bit more money just to come in the store. I only got 35 cents flew in my pocket. I got a racket cause like 50 tickets. People don't know what it are, but that's the way it is. Alright people, the end of this song. You Diamond, I miss you. So yeah, but I do. Alright.